Uplift your fashionable wardrobe wearing these cute heels by Chinese Laundry. They feature a synthetic upper with an open-toe silhouette and a halo ankle strap that has an adjustable buckle closure to give you a secure and custom fit, and another strap that goes over the toe to lock them into place. The strap at the toe has a translucent design, giving you a simple yet trendy look you're sure to love. There is a synthetic interior with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. You'll get a little over a 3-inch boost in height with a slender wrapped block heel at the back, and it's all on top of a textured synthetic outsole. Rock these babies wearing a cute pair of skinny jeans.